When you stop eating sugar altogether, especially added sugars and highly processed sugary foods, your body can undergo several changes and adaptations over time. Here are some of the potential effects. 1. Improved mental health. Some individuals report better mood and mental clarity when they reduce sugar intake. Consuming excess sugar can lead to mood swings and exacerbate symptoms of conditions like anxiety and depression. 2. Enhanced digestive health. High sugar consumption can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria and lead to gastrointestinal issues. Reducing sugar may help promote a healthier gut microbiome and alleviate problems like bloating, gas, and irregular bowel movements. 3. Better hydration. Sugar-sweetened beverages are often a significant source of daily sugar intake. By cutting these out and replacing them with water or other hydrating options, you can improve your overall hydration and support better kidney function. 4. Reduced risk of metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome is a cluster of conditions that increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. These conditions include high blood pressure, elevated blood sugar, excess body fat, and abnormal cholesterol levels. Lowering sugar consumption can reduce the risk of developing metabolic syndrome. 5. Enhanced taste sensitivity. When you cut out sugar, your taste buds can become more sensitive to subtle flavors in foods. You may begin to appreciate the natural sweetness of fruits and other whole foods, reducing the need for added sugars in your diet. 6. Improved long-term health. Reducing sugar intake is associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and certain autoimmune conditions. While diet is just one factor in these diseases, it can play a significant role in prevention. 7. Better sleep. Excessive sugar consumption, particularly before bedtime, can lead to sleep disturbances. Cutting out sugar, especially in the evening, may help you get a more restful night's sleep. 8. Enhanced immune function. Some research suggests that high sugar intake can suppress the immune system's function. Reducing sugar may help support a stronger immune response, making it easier for your body to fight off infections. 9. Improved physical fitness. Reducing sugar intake can lead to improved physical performance and recovery. Sugar can contribute to inflammation and muscle fatigue, so athletes often find that they perform better with lower sugar consumption. 10. Weight maintenance. After initial weight loss, maintaining a low-sugar diet can help prevent weight regain. It's important to focus on a balanced and sustainable eating pattern to maintain a healthy weight in the long term. Remember that it's not necessary to completely eliminate all sugar from your diet. Natural sugars in whole foods, like fruits and vegetables, are generally considered healthy and provide essential nutrients. The goal should be to reduce added sugars and make healthier choices, such as opting for whole, minimally processed foods. When making dietary changes, it's essential to do so gradually, as sudden and extreme shifts can be difficult to sustain. Also, what works best for one person may not work the same way for another. So it's advisable to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized guidance.